How are you?
Very good. Thank you.
Good. Thank you so much for coming again. And tonight I'll be showing some short videos, two videos of testimonies. One is a testimony from the church of Pastor Jerry Derman, the author of Operation Solidarity. And the other is the video testimony of the OSL in the Philippines. But before those testimony video, we were discussing last night about this promotional video. Actually, you can, your church or your group can make your own promotional video, just like what we did in the Philippines for the kickoff event of OSL in your church before starting. So, and then after those videos, we will be discussing about the two manuals, the group leaders manual and then the instructors manual. Okay, so yeah, just feel free to ask some questions during the discussions of the two manuals. Whether you have some clarifications to make, just feel free to do that. Okay, so this time let's let me present to you the short video, 1-minute video that we made in the Philippines, that one of the churches used to promote the OSL. Okay, please watch the video.
You use a remote TV remote control. Last time remember we talked about